Now, good morning, guys. Say hello. We are here having breakfast with these people too, and we're going to the beach today. Finally, woo! Say hello.
Hello.
So after 2 hours in the jeep, we got to this place that I have no idea what's the name. And I think now we are gonna get a small boat to go to this sandbank that they call island, but it's actually a sandbank. If it's low tide, there is like a small island we can go and have some fun. So we're going to the boat.
Yeah.
Look, this beautiful couple there, love birds, and we are all alone.
Yeah.
Up on the mountain, caught on the rail line. Up on the mountain, caught on the rail line. My brother, let the heart just beat. Drink your wine, smoke your weed, my brother, let the heart just beat. And where your silver line.
Yeah, guys, so this is the place. It's high tide now, so it's barely sand here, but it's so amazing. Look at this. Water everywhere. Look.
But if it's the drugs, the women, the wine, the weed, the love that took everything I owe, just take it all, and tell the ones you love them, teach only what you know and know.
So we are now leaving the small island. We're in the boat here with all the people, and that's it. Now after, I think we are going to a waterfall, and that's supposed to be really fun. So yeah, I got out of the boat. Say hello, teacher comes. Oh yeah, now we are going to the waterfall, because I don't know how to pronounce this.
Let me just say it. Sagpulan Falls. We're going there.
Yeah.
Hola.
Sagpulan Falls.
Salamat.
Salamat kayo! This is the vice president of AFS.
Hello everyone.
Yeah, I just met him and I didn't know. Yes, I'm recording because I'm making vlogs of my Filipino life. So we are gonna have lunch now, and they are gonna eat in the todo place. Excuse me, please.
This is what you call turo, because you're gonna point it.
It's time for the fruits. Look at this. Wanna show them how beautiful these fruits are?
Yeah, fresh.
Oh my god, fresh fruits! Wow, that's amazing. Second part of the trip.
You better know anyway. We drove from coast to coast down to New Orleans where the levees broke. 'Cause you were tripping, I was driving, you were
Oh, what is it?
It is a kubo. It's called kubo. It's made of bamboo tree, like that. It's a bamboo tree.
So we just got to the waterfall, and Chirkams told me it was going to be a small fall. So I was expecting this, but look at that. This is taho. They said it's the sweet version of tofu. So
That's what Mona said. Not what we said.
it's what Mona said, yes. Mona tell me crazy stuff, so you guys know. It's weird. I don't know what tastes like caramel, but it's good.
just take it all, and tell the ones you love them, teach only what you know and know. You better know your way.
Peekaboo! Guys, it's raining. Oh thank God, we're just here. Wow, perfect timing. It's gonna rain so much. just gonna finish the vlog here.